Hello guys, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to have a look at the watch winder sent to us by Dukwin. This is going to be the single watch winder, so you can only wind one watch. Something that I really like about this brand is the packaging. So we have received several products from them, and as you can see, there is a lot of attention to detail when it comes to packaging. Everything is going to have this foam that is going to actually protect the main, let's say, winder, watch roll, the bigger winder, in case you are going to order. Here is going to be the watch winder that you can find on Amazon, and here you can see that they sent us this first one, so the orange one, but you can opt for various colors. Here you have the manual, and it's going to show you everything, how to use it from start to finish, and we are also going to do that in this video. Here we have a small envelope with a piece of cloth that you can use in order to clean your watches, and here also everything that you need to know about their brand. And also we have here the power supply. Something really cool about this watch winder is that they have a dual power supply solution. You can either plug it in or you can use the AA batteries, but they do not recommend to use both at the same time because you can actually damage it, so make sure to read that as well. And now I'm going to set everything aside, and I'm going to pop out the watch winder. And this is going to be the cardboard box that is going to hold the watch winder. And now the reveal. So this is the watch winder. Once again, a lot of extra packaging, and that is something that, as I mentioned, I really like. And now let's check out the winder. So this is going to be the orange version. Right off the bat, I really like how it looks and the finishing. It gives me the feeling of a camera that you take underwater in order to film. So I really like the design. And this is how the watch winder looks. You can unscrew this part right here, and that is going to give you access to your watch. And you can pull this part out just like that. You're going to have these two pieces that are going to hold the support together, and as you can see, this part right here is adjustable. That is going to be really cool for watches that come on a bracelet. You're going to place it in, and then you're going to release, and then you are going to put it back in just like that. And now if we turn the winder around, here on the back we have these two buttons, and you can rotate, and here we have different directions, so I can go clockwise, anti-clockwise, in both directions, and here I can select how many rotations I wanted to have each hour. So let's start it clockwise, and we will be able to see that it started to rotate. Now I can go anti-clockwise. Now I can select the second option, and this is going to go in both directions, and also I can adjust the speed. So this is going to be the lowest speed, and if I were to go to the last one, maybe you can see a small difference. Now I'm going to place in a watch, so I'm going to take my Rolex from within my watch roll. This is also sent to us by Dukwin, another very nice product. Here I have the watch, so I'm going to remove the watch, and now I'm going to place it onto the watch winder. As you can see, you can put it so that it matches the writing, and now I'm going to look on the back, and I'm going to press down this part, secure my bracelet, and then it is going to release tension, and as you can see, it perfectly holds the watch. I'm going to place it in, and now I'm going to hit start again. And now it is going to wind my watch. You can also put the cap, so the lid, back on, and this is how it is going to look. So I would definitely recommend to use this for automatic watches, or even if you have, let's say, your holy grail and you want to put it on a display, this is how you want to showcase your best watch or your most worn watch. You can select between different speeds, so depending on how many times you want to rotate, so to have a full rotation for your watch. In case your winder winds the watch in both directions, so you have, let's say, a micro rotor that needs to spin in both directions, you can even opt for the both clockwise and anti-clockwise winding. So guys, this is a really cool piece that was sent to us, and I really like their products. That is why we keep on reaching out to them in order to have even more products sent to us. And now that my watch is winded, I can pick it up. I can, let's say, press once again in order to release the watch, open it, put it on the wrist. And now guys, I have my Rolex watch that is winded thanks to this watch winder. You can also opt for the bigger versions in case you have several automatic watches. I'm also going to drop a review about that one as well, so make sure to check it out on the YouTube channel, guys. In case you want to purchase it, make sure to grab it on Amazon. You are going to love these designs and your watches are going to pop out, and the finishing, the quality, everything that they do is really premium for a fraction of the price that other brands ask you to pay.